Sanibona Zalamani Zulu Nation. Welcome to another Learn Zulu Everyday episode. Today we're going to be looking at the website, zamanizulu.co.za. There's a whole bunch of stories that we've sort of written down through the years of all my few years of Zulu teaching. So check that out if you'd like some easy reading. And today we're going to do greetings and praise names. Ukubingelela nezithakazelo. Cool. So it's just a quick picture of the board that this conversation came out of a lesson, and this is just some notes that you can look at. Cool. There's another voice note, a whole bunch of other materials, but we'll get into the reading here. So I say to all of you, Bafundi, and you will say, Yebo. Okay. Storytelling technique. There is a man, once upon a time, blah, blah, blah. So, kukhona ubaba. And you say, oh, kukhona ubaba, noma, or kukhona umama. Is there a man or is there a lady? Kukhona ubaba. Manje, now, ngubani igama lakhe. Okay, so we've got a story, we've got the character, we've got a man. Now, what is his name? Manje, now, ngubani igama lakhe. Okay, igama lami, my name, igama lami nguzamani. Ngubani igama lakho. And you'd say, igama lami ngu, whatever your name is. Okay, so igama lami ngu Jonathan. Igama lami ngu Zamani. Igama lakho ngu Jonathan. Maybe, but probably not. So you say igama lami. You say igama lami ngu something. So what is in our story? What is his name? The man, our character. Manje ngubani igama lakhe. Igama lami, my name. Igama lakho, your name. Igama lakhe, his or her name. So I'm reading the bold. You read the normal script. You say igama lakhe, his name. Nguje. Okay. And I say, Aibo. Igama lakhe ngujeqe. Kanjan. Like kanjan. What kind? What's happening here? So this is just an explanation. There's one of our students, Brad, which sounds like bled when you say it, the Zulu accent, bled, which sounds like bread. So igama lakhe elisingisi. Bread. Ifana, it's like ifana no bread. Noma isinkwa. So bread becomes bread. Isinkwa. Bread. Ujeqe. Ujeqe is Zulu steamed bread. Where is it? Over there at the top. So it's like a sweet dough that's then put in a sort of double boiler. Make a big loaf and you get big fat chunks of it. Amazing stuff. Eat that with some inyama, some meat. Amazing. So I say, oh, okay, ngiyezwa manje. I understand now. Bafundi, students, you guys. Igama lakhe ngu Donald. Is his name Donald? And you say, nah, there's no such thing. Cha, ayikho leyo nto. Igama lakhe ngujeqe. Hi, uDonald. Okay, so we'll just run through that conversation again. Just for now, for part one. I'll read the bold and you read the normal script. Bafundi. You say, Yebo. Kukhona ubaba. You say, oh. Kukhona ubaba, noma kukhona umama. You say, kukhona ubaba. Manje ngubani igama lakhe. Now, what's his name? You say, igama lakhe nguJeqe. Hayibo, igama lakhe nguJeqe. Kanjani? And you say, no, his English name is Brad. Hayi, igama lakhe elisingisi nguBrett. Ifana no bread, noma isinkwa. I say, oh, I understand now. Oh, ngiyezwa manje. Bafundi, igama lakhe is his name. Igama lakhe nguDonald. And you say, cha, ayikho leyo nto. Igama lakhe nguJeqe. Hayi, uDonald. Cool. Well done. That's it for part 1. Come back tomorrow for part 2. We get into surnames and all of that. Message me on Facebook if you like lessons or translations or any other comments. Siyabonga. Salani kahle.